Hi friends, today I will explain in this video I'll explain how to construct an ellipse by oblong or rectangle method. Okay, so look at the screen. I have given a problem, I have described a problem, and I have also mentioned what are the commands used here. Okay, so right, first of all I will draw a major axis with a given 120 mm. So for this take a line command. So draw a line of 120 mm. Okay, so then next you have to draw a minor axis. So in an ellipse, major axis and minor axis, they are perpendicular bisectors actually. I suppose to draw from the center of this major axis. Okay, so minor axis I have to draw. So but what I will do is I'll take a line command. I will draw minor axis separately. I'll show you why I did this. So I will draw separately with an 80 mm. Okay, so then I will move this one. So I'll move this. Okay, so select this move command and then select the object and right click and pick the midpoint of this vertical line and place it midpoint of the major axis. This is how I can move it. So I'll do Control Z and I'll explain once again. Okay, so select the move command and select the object, then pick the midpoint. It is so you always have an eye what it is saying in the command line. So command line, it is asking us specify a base point. I have to pick a base point as a midpoint of this one. Okay, so it is showing the midpoint. So make sure that, so in the object snap settings, these all options should be selected, otherwise it will not show. Make sure that these options are selected, then okay, then pick the midpoint and then place here. This is how I did. So then again I will use a copy command to uh, I'll go to copy command and I'll select the same minor axis, right click, and then it is asking a base point again. I will take a base point and I will keep this and base. I want to construct a rectangle. So for like this I did. Okay, so then I'll take a line command and I'll close it. I'll take a line command and I will close it. Right, like this I'll completed a rectangle. Okay, so then I will show that I will keep the dimensioning. Okay, so I'll zoom it a little bit, only this one. Okay, I'll zoom it. I'll show the dimensioning. Okay, so how to place a dimensioning? So change the color. Okay, dimensioning, before going to dimensioning, change the color, go to properties and go to bilayer and then pick a yellow. So here go to dimension menu and take a linear and then pick this one and this one. So this is how to place a dimension. Okay, right. So this dimension I am not able to see as the size of the text is very small. So for this to modify the text size, arrow size and all, I will again go to dimension menu and go to dimension style. Look at this. So dimension style, just click on this dimension style and go to modify and then you have a different tabs on the top, lines, symbols, something like this. Okay, text and all. So arrows and symbols, click on the arrows and symbols. Here arrows and symbol, you have to change the arrow size. Look at this, don't change anything, only arrow size. Look at this arrow size, just replace with the 5. Then go to text tab, then only text height, don't touch remaining all. Okay, just text size 5 and then primary units. Actually this is 8 decimal accuracy precision 0.000 something. I don't want this much just after decimal 10 is enough. Okay, just precision 0.0, then say okay and then close. So now look at this, I am able to see the dimension. Similarly, once if you apply this, then for a entire sheet, the same size of the dimension will, for every time you need not change the text size and all. Then go to dimension and again linear and then I will place a minor axis also. This is how I placed the minor axis also. Right. So then I will place the text, major axis AB, minor axis CD and EFG, something like this. Okay, so rectangle. So for this I will go to text. Look at this text command. Okay, so take a text. Okay, I'll go to multi-line. Many people, they will do single line text also, but I'll prefer a multi-line text. Okay, just go to multi-line text, select this one, and then zoom it. Here I want to draw a. Okay, right. So zoom it. So here a. So a, and then select it. Okay, right. So here size, look at the text size 0.2, it is very small. I will change it to 5. I'll replace with the 5 and then enter. Okay, so text size will increase, and just click the outside, just click on the screen, then it will. So as color is yellow, then I will change the color. So I want white actually. So here go to text and then change the color of the text. Okay, so then you can move. So a little closer like this. If it is very far, then go to move and then select the object, right click, and then you move closer to your rectangle. So this is how I place. So you have to repeat ABCD, but every time you are taking a multi-line text, changing the size, it will take a time. So that's why what I will do, I will go to copy. I will go to copy and select this letter. Okay, right click, and then it is asking a base point, right? Just click here, then base point. So place it wherever you want. Just remove this. Okay, ortho you can off. Okay, ortho you can off. Okay, otherwise it will come only in one direction. Just a. Okay, here, here, and then here, here. I can place here. I can place here. So later I will edit. So it is A, this is B actually. So I will change it to B. AB major axis and minor axis CD. C minor axis, and this is D. D, right? So then I will go to a rectangle. I will give EFGH. This is E. So for convenience, okay. So text is notation is important. Okay, right? Then A B C D E F. So you can use any other. Okay, no problem. A B C D E F G H. Right. So I completed the basic thing. Okay, right. So now the major axis AB, minor axis CD, and the rectangle or oblong EFGH. Right. The next procedure is I have to divide semi-minor axis and semi-major axis into certain number of equal parts. Let us say 5 equal parts. Okay. So divide. So I forgot to give the center. Then go to copy, and yeah, you can give the center as well. O, center is O. Okay, this is O. Right. So now AO is the semi-major axis and CO is the semi-minor axis. I have to divide into certain number of equal parts, let us say 4. But AB is a continuous line, so I will divide it into 8 equal parts so that AO become 4. Here also EF is a continuous line. I will divide it into EF 8 so that EF become a 4. Then go to divide. The command I am using divide, DIVIDE. Type divide. Then it will ask select objects. So this is the object I want to divide. Okay, selected. Then it is asking enter the number of segment. How many? 8. So 8. Right. So look at this. I have divided, but I am not getting the parts. I am not getting the points. So because the default point is dot, you are not able to see on the line. So I have to set the point type actually. For this DDP type, I have to use a DDP type. So define display point type. So look at default is dot, that's why I'm not able to see. So I'll prefer this one. Look at this, take this one. You have these types of many points, but I will prefer this one. Okay, so then here point size is 4. If it is okay, then okay. Otherwise you can change it to 4, 3 or whatever you want. Next here you have two options: set size resolution to screen. Next one, set size absolute units. Always select this one. Don't go for the resolution to the screen. Always select set size in absolute units. Then say okay. So now you are getting the points, right? Similarly, you divide this also. Again, DIVID, divide. So this is the object I want to divide. Okay. So number of segment is 8. So now once if you set the DDP, so for entire screen, you need not set again. It will come. Okay, right. So now again I will place a text 1 2 3, and this is 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash, something like this. Okay, so then I will take the same thing. Okay, copy. Okay, right, so this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 1 dash, this is 2 dash, and this is 3 dash. I can give a text. Okay, this is 1. If you feel that it is big, you can reduce the size. 1 2 3. So right, so now here this is, well, I will start from here, 1 dash 2 dash notation. Okay, so notation at your convenience. Look at, so here 1, so dash I am using a L. Okay, so lowercase letter L, and select, and then apply superscript. This is the way you can dish. Otherwise you can use apostrophe also, that's fine. So I am using this way. Okay, so 2 small l lowercase letter, and then shift select this L and apply superscript 2 dash. So this way you can give the numbering. So I started 1 2 3 from here, so I have started from 1 2 3 like this. If you started 1 2 3 something like this, you also has to start 1 2 3 something like this. Okay, so this is how you can, right? So next one, so I have to join C1 C2 C3, and I have to draw lines D1 D2 D3, and I supposed to extend. So okay, so for this I will use a color. Okay, yellow is already there, no problem. Okay, join. Okay, C1. Okay, right. Repeat the line. C2. For repeating line, you can enter also. You can type enter also. 3. Okay, so done. So now I will take a line command. So D1, I have joined D1 dash, in fact D1 dash. This I have to extend till up to 1, up to 1. So I have, for this I have a command called extend. In the modify toolbar, extend is available. Just click on, okay, right. Initially it will be extended up to this boundary. Once again click here, once again click here, so that it will be extended up to here, right? Okay, so similarly take a line command from D to join 2 and extend it till 2 corresponding. Okay, till extend, right. So again I have to draw a line command from D3 dash, D3 dash, then again I will extend. Okay, so this one, all right. Right, I have made it. So now keep points here. Wherever these lines are intersecting, you keep a point. So type point point, and then 1 point here. Wherever these are intersecting, enter 1 more point here and 1 more point. These points on the ellipse actually. So I have completed the procedure for 1/4. Okay, 1/4. But you have to repeat the same procedure for other quarters as well, other side also. But as this figure is symmetric, so I need not complete the same procedure other side. So I can mirror these points. I can mirror these points here, 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 so that I can quickly complete this. So I'll tell you how to. I'll go to mirror command. From the modify, I'll go to mirror command. I'll take a mirror command and I will select. Look at this, what is asking? It is asking to select the object. Select all the 3 points. This one, and this one as well. Right click. Okay, then after selection, right click or enter. Okay, then it is asking specify a first point of a mirror line. Suppose if I want to do right side, okay, so right side, I have to select a vertical line, minor axis as a mirror line. So this one. Okay, right. Now it is asking erase source object. Yes, sir. No. No, I don't want to erase the source object. Should be there. If you erase, these points will be gone. Okay, then no. So I got a points here. So now I want to bottom side also. For this I will go to mirror again and I will select all these points, 6 points at a time. Okay, after selecting all the 6 points, I right click. Then it is asking mirror line. Okay, now you have to give horizontal mirror line. So this time select the measure axis here and okay, zoom here and then no. Okay, so I got the points. I got the points. Okay, now you should draw an ellipse passing through all these points. So for this I will use a spline command. I'll go to the spline. Okay, right. So end point of the measure axis, starting point, this one and this one, this one, this one, and see end point of the minor axis. Here, I'll carefully select. Okay, it is a little bit extended. I don't know. I think I did. Then close it. Okay, then close. So you got a ellipse, right? You got an ellipse. Now I will apply thickness to this. So I'll select this one and I will, okay, I'll apply thickness so that, so this is, okay, right. I completed. This is the, in this way you can complete. Okay, thank you.